and welcome to Kharchalogy. Today we are going to continue with the accounting principles, but before that, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Let's first revise the basic accounting principles that we have learned in the previous video. Business entity concept. Business has a distinct and separate entity from its owners. Money measurement concept. Only transactions which can be recorded in the terms of money are to be recorded in the books of accounts. Going concern concept. Business firm would continue to carry out its operation indefinitely. Accounting period concept. Accounting period is the span of time at the end of which the financial statements are to be prepared regularly. Companies Act and Income Tax Act require them to be prepared annually. Cost concept. All assets are to be recorded at their purchase price, which includes cost of acquisition, cost of transportation, installation, and making the asset ready to use. Dual aspect concept. Every transaction has a dual or twofold effect. At least two accounts will be involved in recording a transaction. The accounting equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Revenue recognition concept. A revenue is assumed to be realized when a legal right to receive it arises. That means the point of time when the goods have been sold or the services has been rendered. Matching concept. Expenses incurred in an accounting period should be matched with the revenue during that period. Full disclosure concept. हमने पहले के वीडियोस में ये पढ़ा था that there are various parties who require the accounting information to know the financial performance of an enterprise. These parties were owners, managers, lenders, suppliers, employees, etc. Financial statements are the basic means of communicating the financial information of an enterprise. That is why it is all the more important that the financial statement makes an full, fair, and adequate disclosure of the financial performance of the company so that these parties can take a relevant and informed decision. The principle of full disclosure requires us that all the material and relevant facts of the financial performance of the company should be disclosed fully and completely in the financial statements and the accompanying footnotes. The Companies Act has mandated a format for the preparation of profit and loss account and the balance sheet and the disclosures that needs to be made along with them. Consistency concept. हमने पहले ये पढ़ा है कि that we need information from the financial statements of an enterprise to be comparable so that we can draw a comparison between the inter-period performance as well as the inter-firm performance. This is only possible when we are following some accounting practices and accounting principles for this, so that there is an uniformity maintained and a consistency maintained over the time of period. Consistency helps in eliminating personal bias and it helps us in achieving results that is comparable over the time of period. We can compare the inter-firm performance of the company only when all the companies are following the same accounting principles and policies. However, consistency concept हमें ये नहीं बोलता है कि that we cannot change our accounting policies. Only that whenever we are changing an accounting policy that we have been following, we need to make some necessary disclosures in our financial statements and the footnotes so that we can give an probable effect that would have caused in the changing of the accounting policies. Conservatism concept, also called the Prudence concept. This whole concept is based on the idea of playing safe. This is a conscious approach that should be adopted while ascertaining the income so that we do not overstate our profits. This will only lead to the distribution of dividends out of the capital. This concept requires that we record our profits only when they are realized. However, we have to record our losses even if they have a remote chance of possibility, we have to record them. For example, even you have a doubt whether the debtor will pay off your money, you will create a provision for your doubtful debts. Or when we record the closing stock, we measure the amount as market value or cost, whichever is earlier. If the market value has gone down, we will record our closing stock at the market value. However, if the market value has gone up, we will always record it at the cost price and not overstate our profit. Materiality concept. Materiality concept says that accounting should only focus on material facts. We will not waste our time in determination of income on the basis of immaterial facts. The materiality of the fact depends on its nature and the amount involved. हम उसी चीज़ को मटेरियल बोलेंगे जो हमारी डिसीजन मेकिंग को अफेक्ट करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपने एक लैंड खरीदा है इन ऑर्डर टू सेट अप अ फैक्ट्री, this will involve a large amount and also this will affect the decision making of the parties. So this will be recorded in your financial statement. However, अगर आपका कोई अमाउंट इन्वॉल्व काफ़ी छोटा है तो हम अकाउंटिंग पॉलिसीज़ को अप्लाई करना एक बार के लिए छोड़ सकते हैं क्योंकि वो इमटेरियल है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, आपने स्टेशनरी ख़रीदा है इस साल, उसमें अमाउंट काफ़ी कम इन्वॉल्व है. हाउएवर, वो आपका स्टेशनरी 2-3 साल तक चलेगा. दैट डजंट मीन कि आप उसको कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर जैसे ट्रीट करोगे. You can treat it as an revenue expenditure. Therefore, we can expense it out in the year that we have purchased the stationery. Objectivity concept. Objectivity concept ये बोलता है that accountants should not be biased in nature and everything should be verifiable and everything should be recorded in an objective manner. Verifiable हमने ये पढ़ा हुआ है that everything should be supported by the source document. अगर आपने कोई गुड्स परचेज किया है इन कैश तो कैश रिसीप्ट होगा. क्रेडिट पे किया है देन आपके पास डिलीवरी चालान होगा, आपको इनवॉइस मिलेगा. अगर हमने कोई एसेट ख़रीदा है तो हम उसको कॉस्ट पे रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. ये हमने हिस्टोरिकल कॉन्सेप्ट में पढ़ा है दैट वी विल रिकॉर्ड ऑल द एसेट्स एट देयर परचेज प्राइस. दिस इज़ बिकॉज ये वेरीफाइबल है. दिस इज़ रिकॉर्डेड इन एन ऑब्जेक्टिव मैनर. अगर हम इसको इसके मार्केट वैल्यू पे रिकॉर्ड करेंगे देन मार्केट वैल्यू सबका अलग अलग रहता है. इट वेरीज फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन, इट वेरीज फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस. तो दैट्स ऑल गाइज. ये है 13 अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स जो हमने पहले के वीडियो में और इस वीडियो में कवर किया है. नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, लेट्स लर्न अबाउट द बेसिस ऑफ अकाउंटिंग. फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ रिकॉग्निशन ऑफ रेवेन्यू एंड कॉस्ट, दो टाइप के approaches है for accounting. One is cash basis and second is accrual basis. Cash basis is based on कि आपका जब भी रेवेन्यू के लिए कैश आ रहा है आप तब रेवेन्यू को रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे, और आपने कभी भी कोई एक्सपेंस के लिए जब पैसे दिया है तब आप उस एक्सपेंस को रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे, रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. बट ये मैचिंग प्रिंसिपल के साथ इनकम्पैटिबल है जो हमने पढ़ा है. सो इससे आपको आपके प्रॉफिट्स गलत हिसाब से मिलेंगे बिकॉज इट विल बी ओनली कैलकुलेटेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिसिप्ट ऑफ मनी माइनस द डिसबर्समेंट ऑफ मनी. एंड दूसरा बेसिस है अक्रूअल बेसिस. दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन मैचिंग प्रिंसिपल दैट वी विल रिकॉग्नाइज द रेवेन्यू in the year that it has been earned and it will be matched against the expenses for which the revenue has been earned. That's all guys, that's all for today. If you have any queries, please DM me or you can always comment on my YouTube channel. You can even mail me at komalbangad@gmail.com. Till then, bye. Have a good day. See you.